Hello guys, in this short and basic video, today we will learn how to fix MSVCP100.dll missing error. So guys, to resolve this problem, open any web browser like open Chrome browser. Now here search MSVCP100.dll and press enter. Click on this first link. In the search result, you will see www.dll-files.com. Guys, this is the authentic website to DLL file for DLL files. So open it and download the file. You can download as your system 64 or 32-bit. If you don't know your system, so access about section of your system. And here you can see your system type. In my case, it's a 64-bit operating system. So check here and download as your PC requirement. So I need to download this 64. Once we click on download, so file will be downloaded and start in just a few seconds. Very small file, so in few seconds you are able to download. After successfully download, open this zip file. Now copy this MSVCP100.dll file and paste on desktop. Now open C drive in your file explorer. And in C drive you need to open C drive, and in C drive you need to open Windows folder, this one. And here open the folder name System32, this one. Now minimize. So as we can see, we have this file on desktop, this one. So just open it, your C drive System32 folder. We can see here location. So C Windows System32. Now drag and drop this file here. Click on continue. Close and restart your system. So this is the method, guys, to fix and resolve MSVCP100.dll missing problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not. And please subscribe this channel.